to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower themed wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. So bright, so sunny, it reminds me of the sun. So today I'm going to be making a sunflower wedding centerpiece because you guys have been requesting it for a while. So let's get started. All right guys, so let me introduce you to my base for this arrangement. This is a gold mercury candle holder, a pillar candle holder that I got from Goodwill. I decided to use this because for this arrangement, well, let me not lie to you, I get bored. I get really bored with, making the same base over and over again. I got this for $3. But if you're wondering, or if you're saying, well, Tyra, if I have a wedding and there's 10 tables or 5 tables, when you go to the thrift store, you only find one of a kind or maybe 2, and if you're lucky, 3. That's true. But one thing that I do know about the thrift store is that they always carry some type of tall candle holder. So it doesn't matter if they don't look alike. You can always get tall ones of the same height or lower ones. That's totally okay to have high and lows on your tables, and you can just paint them the same color. I'm going to leave this one as it is, but if you find that you want to use this idea, you can paint them the same color or not. As long as the flowers are uniform and they all look the same on top, I don't really care how the bottom looks like. I mean, it has to look nice, but what I mean is the color, especially if you're having like a rustic fall wedding or something like that. That's not really important. Look how great it looks. Look at that, so nice. $3. All right, so let's start with the arrangement. Next, I'm going to be gluing my floral foam directly to my pillar candle holder right here on top. I'm going to be using hot glue, but you can use E6000 if that makes you feel better. I'm going to start my arrangement with beautiful sunflowers from Dollar Tree. These are actually very, very pretty. I usually only like hydrangeas from Dollar Tree, but these are very, very nice. So I really do recommend them, that you get them from there so you can save a buck or two. And I'm going to start by placing them on my 4 points, which are the front, back, and my sides. And I'm going to be cutting them about 3 inches long. Now I'm going to alternate some at the top right here in the corner, and then I'm going to go at the bottom, and then over here at the top, and then at the bottom. And I'm going to make them 4 inches long. Next, I'm going to place one single sunflower right in the middle to guide me on how tall I want the arrangement to be. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful bouquet of peachy roses from Michael's. These were about $5 per bouquet because they were on sale. And I'm going to be placing them in between sunflowers, and I'm going to be cutting them about 4 inches long. I'm going to place the last 3 flowers I have left right on top. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful bridal bouquet that I got from Michael's. These are a combination of fuchsia peonies and pink roses and a little bit of greenery. And I can't remember how much this was. All I know is that these are in the 70 to 80% off batch that they have in the back. And I went for it. Look how pretty, right? The only challenge is going to be that this rubbery thing doesn't really go into the foam, but I think underneath that there's a wire, so I'm gonna have to peel that back. Some are going to be about 4 inches, and then I'm going to leave a few taller so I can use it on top. I can just do this. Look at that. I was about to complicate my life for no reason. Nice. I'm going to place the last long ones on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the middle with the rest of the sunflowers. So all of the flowers are in. So now I am going to nip and tuck. That's why I give myself enough inches in case I have to pull some out. So I'm going to go ahead and nip and tuck a little bit, and I'm going to round it off a little bit. All right, so here it is with a little nip and tuck. I mean, it still needs a little bit more of adjusting, but I'm not done. I still have to add more flowers. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful bouquet I got from Hobby Lobby. This is actually a daisy. It's a hybrid, and it almost looks like a sunflower as well. And I like this bouquet because it has this berries, I think that's what they are, and it has lots of greenery and these other little things that I can add to the arrangement if I choose to. And this one was actually pretty expensive, original price. You know, I didn't pay original price. This was $15.99 original price, but I paid 50% off, so it was about $8. I'm going to place these at the bottom. See that? How it makes it look all crabby. I like that look. I love how the crabbiness of that flower makes the centerpiece look like it's beaming like the sun. You don't have to buy that flower because it is expensive, although it was on sale, and you can just use your sunflowers alone, but I do like the look that it gives the arrangement. Last but not least, I'm going to add baby's breath. These baby's breath came with the daisies bouquet, and I'm just going to add them randomly around the arrangement. Okay guys, this is it. This is my sunflower wedding centerpiece, and I love how colorful, how happy and sunny and romantic it is. It's all of that at the same time. As I said earlier, you can leave out the crabby daisy, but personally, I love the way that it looks on the arrangement. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that button right there right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my sunflower wedding centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway, because that is just what we do all the time. We love to chit chat all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's into sunflowers and is getting married soon, perfect. Make sure to share with them at the end of this video. And if any of you guys like any of the items that you guys see on my videos, make sure to check out my Amazon storefront. I will have the information in the description box below. All right guys, until next time, bye.